We are making Justin Bieber on Movie Star Planet. And here's my brother who's also he's gonna be making him. Okay, action. Action.
Oh yeah, Phoebe's actually considering it. Well, of course I'm considering it. The future of magic is at stake here. Not to mention the future of my niece. And what else do we have right now? There's no powers, no book, no elders.
Phoebe's right. Without Magic Piper and the baby are vulnerable, we can't protect them.
Okay, fine. But if there's a meeting, we're going in heavy. In case there's a draft. Okay, but Curtis said no. And you trust him? Leo, I'm gonna need some saltpeter and some cayenne.
His hair's blonde. No, it's brown, isn't it?
Homemade arsenic. Phoebe, would you kindly get an aerosol cayenne? Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to lock and load. I knew this gift basket would come in handy. And lucky for you, I am always ready for emergencies.
You should have seen our first date.
Oh, your father spilled steak sauce all down the front of his shirt.
And Doris pulls out a bottle of stain remover from her purse.
Of course, I lifted off her chin first.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so sweet. Hi, honey. What are you doing?
I'm just taking Paige some spices. She's gonna make
other shit.
a homeopathic remedy to help you relax. See?
Homeopathic medicine? You're into homeopathic medicine? I knew I was going to love this family. This is unbelievable. My first husband passed away a couple of years ago. Heart attack. And the first thing I did when we got home from the cruise is put your father on a low-fat, high-fiber diet.
And a monthly colonic.
Oh. Hi, Phoebe. Come sit, talk with us, please. Oh, I can't. I have a big meeting at work. Do you have any hairspray?
Go on.
Aerosol, and it's a really big I need aerosol for that super firm hold, you know?
Okay, we are about to be done. Okay, hold on. I gotta type in the name.
There's no cheese knife here. Would you mind going downstairs?
Absolutely, baby.
I just wanted to let you know how I feel about your father.
2272.
I just feel so lucky. He's the most special man I've ever met.
Ooh.
Thank you. That's the sweetest thing you could ever say to us. Well, it's true. You know, he's so kind and he's so sensitive and he's the most exciting lover. Girlfriend.
Justin Bieber 2272.
Gotta go to that meeting. That's Cronin. He says he'll meet us in an hour. He suggested one of his, dark chambers. I suggested Manny's Pizzeria. Nice public venue. Way to go. What is that? Must be a pipe bomb. Oh,
Now, I will record later of a whole bunch of girls flirting with Justin Bieber.
Okay.
And yes, we're gonna make them think that it's the real Justin Bieber. Peace. For Lord, dude.